In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix WhatsApp notifications not working. Let's get started. First up, check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to internet. Now you'll need to customize notification settings. For that, close this, launch your settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option notifications. Here you're gonna find all the apps. Find WhatsApp from the list and launch it. Make sure you have enabled for this option allow notifications. In case it is already enabled, disable it, wait for a few seconds and enable it. Now check in for all these options, lock screen, notification center, banners. Likewise, toggle on for these options, sound and badges. Click on show previews and set it to always or remain unlocked. Then click on the option WhatsApp notification settings. You'll be directed to this page. Inside WhatsApp notification, from here you can customize message, group, likewise status notification. You can enable all these options. Likewise, make sure you haven't enabled do not disturb mode in your device. It will block WhatsApp notifications, so turn it off. Next, enable background refresh. For that, go to settings, general, click on background app refresh. Check in for Wi-Fi or cellular data and toggle on for the option WhatsApp. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next up, check for app update. So launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app WhatsApp. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, completely delete WhatsApp from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. With these, you'll be good to go. Your notifications would work. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.